So what we're going to do in this video and also in the next few videos is talk about YouTube. And I want to show you how to use the biggest video website in the world to drive a lot of traffic to your squeeze pages, to build your list, and drive traffic to any affiliate offer that you can think of, pretty much all through the #1 video website in the world. And actually the #2 search engine in the world as well. So after Google, YouTube is the second most used search engine in the world. Now that we're talking about Google, I need to mention, in case some of you don't know, Google's actually the owner of YouTube. So one of the good things about that is that Google really loves YouTube. So this is where all the magic is going to happen. And usually what marketers out there do is they build their own website and then they try to optimize it for search engine optimization. And they spend weeks, months, and sometimes even years of their time trying to get their websites to rank as high as possible on Google. Now, our advantage here is going to be that instead of creating our own website and spending so many weeks and months and sometimes even years trying to rank it, what we're going to do is create a video for YouTube, and we're going to post that video on YouTube, and then we're going to get Google to rank our YouTube video on their first page. So if you know how to select the proper keywords, this can actually happen in maybe just a few days time, sometimes a few weeks or about a month or so, but it definitely is not going to take a few years. So what I'll be showing you is how to create a video on YouTube, how to optimize it, how to make sure that it drives traffic to your website, to your squeeze pages, or to anything that you can think of. And then I'll show you how to make sure to rank that video very high on Google on the first page in just a few days. So that's the goal of this video and the next few videos, because there is a bit of work here for us involved. So we do need to spend a few videos going over everything. And I want to make sure that you understand every single detail. Now, once you know all of these steps that you need to take, then things are going to be a lot easier for you. So the first thing that we need to talk about, we could call this step 1, is we need to check out some keywords and make sure that we can easily rank our video high on Google. Now, to do that, what I want you to do is go to Google and type in keyword tool. Then you're going to see this keyword planner, or actually you can go to Google and type in keyword planner and just click on that first link for the keyword planner, and then you would have something like this. Now what I want to do now is click here on search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category, and by now I'm going to assume that you already have a product in mind that you want to promote. So perhaps it's in the make money online niche, or in the dieting niche, in the dating niche perhaps, it doesn't matter. Let's just assume it's make money online. So in that case, what I want you to do is type in some of the main keywords for your niche. So obviously it would be make money online, and that's the main keyword for this particular niche. So one keyword is enough. If you can think of more keywords, you can type in more. For example, how to get a date, how to get girls, or something like that would be perfect for the dating niche. So for dieting, how to lose weight, how to get slim, that kind of stuff. So how to get six-pack abs perhaps, etc., etc. But for this niche, let's go with make money online. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure that it's set as United States. The language is English, and I'm just going to click get ideas. So let's give this a second to load, and there we go. So now what we want to do is click on keyword ideas, and we want to scroll down just a little bit. So you're going to see that we've got a bunch of keywords here, and then we've got average monthly searches, and then we've got it numbered here, and then we've got competition and suggested bid. Now what you need to do next is copy this keyword and save it in Notepad or TextEdit or Word or whatever you use, and do that for about 3, 4, or 5 keywords that you find here. So just scroll down, and then we've got a few more with low competition, like best ways to make money and make money on YouTube. So you can go to the next page and find a few more if you'd like, but if the average monthly searches gets too low, low for me is less than 2,000, then that's already too low. So in that case, you would just come up with a new keyword like easy ways to make money, for example, and then just do the same for different keywords in your niche until you have 3 or 4 keywords that we're going to base our work on. And then this is the first thing that you need to do. So let me go ahead and just grab my text edit. All right, there we go. So I'm going to open this up and I'm just going to put my keyword in there. And the keyword is going to be how to make more money. And that's okay for now. So just one for me is enough because I'm doing this as an example. So one keyword is okay. Now we're pretty much done with the first step. So we have found ourselves a keyword that is going to rank high and doesn't have a ton of competition, but has a decent amount of monthly searches. So now that we've done that, the next step is to get your video created. And to do that, what you need to do is go to Fiverr.com. So let's give it a second to load. Now we're here on Fiverr, and the next thing that we want to do is get ourselves a video. So creating that video actually consists of a few steps. So let me write that down in here. Step 1 is actually getting an article written. Step 2 is turning that article into audio. You need audio, so you need a voiceover. And then step 3 is getting a PowerPoint presentation done. And then step 4 is synchronizing the presentation, which is going to result in the final video that you'll go ahead and upload to YouTube. So let me go through all of this and explain a little about what you need to do. So obviously we need to create a video for YouTube. And if you know how to create one on your own, then that's great. You can go ahead and create it. But if not, then we want to find someone to write an SEO or search engine optimized article for us. And we want to ask this person to optimize that article for the keywords how to make more money. Now, there we go. So I will write an SEO article or search engine optimized article of 400 to 500 words for $5. So as you see, it has over 7,000 reviews, over 7,000 testimonials, 5 stars. So they're definitely someone you'll want to work with. Just $5 and you'll get your article. Now you want to tell this person that the article will be used for a video script, and you want to make sure it gets optimized for the keyword how to make more money. Now, once you're done with that, step 1 is complete, and then we'll move on to step 2. So you want to ask for the article to be about 300 to 400 words long. Don't go over 500 words, just go for 400. Then we need to find a voiceover, so someone to turn the article into audio. And as you can see, you've got a lot of people here willing to do that. Just make sure that you go through them and see how much they charge and how they charge. So for example, some people here might charge you $5 for 50 words, while other people can get you 300 words for 4 gigs, and others can get you 400 for 5, which means that's about $25. So it's $5 for the article, and then you can get this all done for $20. So for somebody to turn the article into an audio. Now, then we've got PowerPoint. So let me type in PowerPoint, and once you get the audio and you have the article, next we need a PowerPoint. So let's see, this guy's got very positive feedback. 8 slide is just enough. 8 slides is $5. So your script can be turned into an 8 slide presentation for $5. Then finally, there's the synchronizing of the video. So I will type that in there as well. So that's also going to be about $5 for such a short video. Let me just find it. You can even get an animated whiteboard video done if you want. That's also a possibility. So let me try that again. Let's say video slides. All right, there we go. Create a quick PowerPoint presentation. Design a professional PowerPoint presentation. Professional video slideshow. Make or edit a PowerPoint. So you definitely have a few people willing to do video slides for you, which means you're definitely going to give them your audio and your PowerPoint that you got in the previous step. So for $5, you're going to get your video done as well. A few pointers here, a few things that you need to do when you ask for this article. This is the only thing that you need to pay attention to. So when you ask for the article, you want to make sure that you tell the guy to provide obviously useful information on how to make money online. And that is the most important thing, that it has useful information. Now then, the next thing that you want to do is make it clear that they should include a call to action. What I mean by that is that you want to tell them that at the end of the article they should write, if you want to learn more about this system, then what you want to do is click the link in the description box to learn more. And just that one sentence, they need to include it in every article so that when somebody watches your video, we want to tell them, if you want to learn more, then go ahead and click on the link in the description. And when they click on that link, that's when they're going to be sent to your squeeze page or to an affiliate offer or whatever other thing that you can imagine. So this is it when it comes to the first two steps, the two general steps. Step one was keyword research, obviously. Step two was creating your YouTube video, and that's it for now. So these two steps are what we covered in this video. Then in the next video, we're going to focus on the next few steps that you need to do in order to get a ton of free traffic coming in from YouTube to your squeeze page and to any other offer that you can think of. Okay guys, so that's it for me in this video, and I'm going to go ahead and stop this video right now, and I will see you in the very next one. So thank you for watching. See you then.